My name's Kathy Blake. I'm a professor in the School of Information Sciences, and I have a joint position in the Carle College of Medicine where I'm a health innovation professor. At the moment, I'm also serving as the Associate Dean for Academic Affairs. The real goal of my research is actually to empower communities with science. And as an information scientist, how do I do that? I try and pull information out of scientific literature and develop computational methods that kind of mirror how an expert would synthesize evidence from text. One of the things that is really important if you want to get a computer to think like an expert is knowing when to pay attention to detail. So if you read a piece of text and it says that we recruited people who had lung and breast cancer, you and I can know that they're actually talking about two different diseases, but the way that a computer would read that is lung is a body part and then breast cancer is a disease, and so it wouldn't actually know that we're talking about lung cancer, and yet you and I can infer that from the text. And so a lot of the methods that I sort of work on sort of pay attention to that level of detail. And at the same time, if the article refers to, say, the scientific name, we want to harmonise the scientific name with the layperson name. So those attentions to detail is really where my methods kind of come into their own, as opposed to sort of looking at text from, a 30,000 foot viewpoint. The way that we consume and produce information has changed so much over the last decade that the kinds of computational methods that we're developing and how to understand those forms of evidences, that's going to be a place where there's going to be research for decades. Information sciences is really a 21st century skill.